Lumia 1020 features largely the same interface as the one that was introduced with the Lumia 920. There are optimized settings for the AMOLED display, including the ability to optimize sunlight readability in bright environments, as well as adjust the color saturation and color temperature of the display to your liking. Otherwise, what you'll find on the Lumia 1020 is Internet Explorer, which has some pretty good performance and fairly crisp text when looking on the 1280 by 768 display. One of the key features of the Lumia 1020 is the camera application, which powers the 41 megapixel 6-lens camera featuring Carl Zeiss optics. One way you can quickly launch the camera is by holding down the camera button. By default, it opens up the default Microsoft application, although what you really want is Nokia's ProCam lens, which was introduced with the Lumia 1020. It gives you a quick overview of various features across the top, such as exposure, shutter speed, ISO, as well as manual zoom settings. So you can adjust settings for specific lighting situations like the ones we have here. So you can bring up the exposure as well as focus more precisely. And you can also move settings to the side so that you can get a better view of whatever you're trying to shoot. And once you take the image, you can then go in and look at some very good resolved detail thanks to the pure view shooting mode. And you can then, of course, reframe or rotate the image as you like, as well as change the aspect ratio. As we showed, the camera button on top opens up the default camera application, but you can change this behavior by going into the settings, and here you can select either the built-in app, which is default like we said, or the ProCam. You also got to look at the SmartCam lens, which is also here in the Lumia 1020. It's nothing new with this device. It was introduced with the Lumia 920, and it's mostly used for various different shooting modes, such as action shots or various collages, as well as best face selections. You can even remove moving objects from your photos. And that was the Nokia Lumia 1020.